pillow waits to catch the seas, floating softly on the breeze. Can you hear the night so still? Do you dream when stars shine? Will you? Yes.
Should the pillow float up high, or stay right here where we lie?
Kids, stay right here.
Will it catch the snores we keep, turn them into dreams so deep?
Yes. Play pillow catching seas tonight. Hold them soft, so warm, so light. Close your eyes, the dreams will start, floating gently from the heart.
Can you hug your pillow tight? Does it make you feel alright?
Yes.
Should it keep the Z's for you, or share them with the dreamers too?
Share them. Count the Z's, how many go? 1, 2, 3, they're falling slow. 1, 2, 3.
Do they glow in pink or blue? Shout the color, it's up to you.
Pillow catching Z's tonight. Dreams are shining soft and bright. Every child drifts off to sleep in the pillow's hands they keep. Should the stars sing lullabies, or should moonlight close our eyes? Stars sing.
Should the pillow hum along, humming sweetly with this song?
Yes.
Pillow caught your Z's tonight, holding dreams until it's light. Now the night is calm and deep. Little dreamer, fall asleep.